On to learning unit number 8. I hope you all had a very enjoyable, yet it was quite brief, fall break. So we're going to look at physical activity and physical health. And you're watching this video and our learning outcomes and assignments. You can read your learning outcomes, and please do, because it's always good to know what is expected for you to know. And what are we doing in this learning unit. And I'm going to go over each of the assignments individually. So let's go through those. So for the textbook readings, I had put on your syllabus chapter 6. Very specifically, I asked that you start at the very beginning of chapter 6 and then go through table 6.1. And that includes pages 135 to 151. Along with the very ending, I asked that you look at the summary and key terms, which are pages 163 to 164. And no matter what group your health promotion project, no matter what you're working on, vaping, older adults, complementary and integrative health techniques, mental health, nutrition, the benefits of physical activity can be integrated. So you're going to be reading, especially on page 139, what are the health benefits of physical activity for adults? And on pages 137 to 138, the benefits of physical activity specifically for kids. So the readings are important, and I ask that you spend a little bit of time on that. And then you're going to be clicking on this Healthy People 2030. I know we've been here before, but this is very specific to physical activity. So when you click on, you're going to read the just general information here. So that's a short 3 paragraphs. And then under the objectives, I'm asking you, and listen up, I'm asking you to choose one, but not from the general, but from adolescence. So you can choose PA06, increase the proportion of adolescents who do enough aerobic physical activity. You can do not arthritis, not cancer, child and adolescent development, or you can choose one from older adults. Those are the 3 categories I'm asking you to choose one of these initiatives. If you choose the older adults, you're going to click on increase the proportion of older adults with physical or cognitive health problems who get physical activity. And you're going to learn what the target is, the most recent data, so etc. So there's lots more information here, evidence-based resources. So spend a little bit of time with that. And I'm going to just pause for a minute. So that was the Healthy People 2030. And before you really select one of the initiatives and everything, you're going to look at the discussion board. And you're going to see that these are the questions for you, posting a synopsis of the barriers that may be associated with this group, and what type of physical activity would you be promoting. This might be very easy. It might be right in your initiative, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you look at these definitions on page 136 in your text. And if it's not clear, you picked an initiative such as the older adult one, and it didn't really say what type of physical activity, you're going to have to think about it and decide what you would think be best. Would it be balance and or flexibility? What would it be? So there's 2 parts for this discussion board. No replies are required for this. I'm going to come back to your midterm assignment in just a second, but this is the midpoint. We have completed 7 learning units. We're halfway done with this course, and I'm asking you to give me some feedback. It's a very simple feedback survey. What's working for you? What could I improve? You usually do a survey at the very end of the course, which is great feedback. I appreciate it, but that survey benefits the students who take this course next. It does not benefit you. So if there are things that I could do differently that you would recommend, I will listen to you. I'm not saying I can integrate all of the changes that you may recommend, but I am listening. And if possible, I definitely will make some revisions. So I'm asking you to complete this. It is, I guess it's optional. There is no points associated, but it just takes a few minutes. So I ask that you do this course survey. That's for me. I will see it. I will thank you for your time in doing it. There is no collaborative document topic this learning unit. So now I'm going to pause, and then I'm going to review the midterm. And you'll be able to click on here, but I want to show it to you in the student view so I can explain how to upload. So I have you in the student view. So if you were to come back to the assignment tab, which is the second tab, or I could guess actually the third tab down, the blue assignment tab, you see again, and just as a reminder, there are some resources there as far as searching the library's databases. But here is your midterm, what I consider to be your midterm assignment. It's the U.S. Preventive Services Task Force assignment, which is due in week 8. Now, you've been able to see this, and I want to go through here a few things. So if you click on the instructions, you will then be able to click on the assignment and see, and I know I've already shared this with you, what's required, but you can see that there. And then you are also, this is the Dropbox inherent in it. Now this is worth 100 points. You are going to be able to drag and drop files here. You can add, you can attach your document if you'd rather do it that way. So, but please know this is your Dropbox, your submission, and then you're going to click Submit. So I know we've already gone over the assignment and what is necessary, but please remember it's worth 100 points. So I would assure that you have gone through all of this, read it thoroughly, gone through the different steps, look at the points associated with it, and make sure you have answered it, that it's clear and organized, so you're writing a paper and you're uploading it to this file. So I hope that helps to see it in the actual student view, because I have a different view here. So that's it for learning unit number 8. And also, if you are integrating physical activity into your health promotion program, you might want to look at apps like we did in Learning Unit 7, but look at apps that specifically enhance physical activity. And that might be a nice addition to your health promotion program. So have a good week. And as always, reach out if you have any questions.